Welcome to DHS Informatics. In this video, we are going to see the demonstration on stock and forex market trend prediction. This project helps us to make the prediction on stock and forex market trends. We are inspired from the paper titled as Forex Market Forecasting Using Machine Learning, Systematic Literature Review and Meta-Analysis. This paper is published in the year 2023. Previous projects are done with the help of a Jupyter notebook, and in Jupyter notebook we will load the data, pre-processing technique will be applied, training, testing and saving the model is done, and that saved model is loaded to the front end. But in this project, it is an advantage of this project. Here we are using only the front end part. Here we are using CLSTM model. In the front end only, the model will internally data will be loaded and pre-processing technique will be applied, and the training, testing and saving the model and result analysis, we can see this entire procedure in the front end only. First you should register with one name, first name, after that click on last name, create one mail ID for this, and select the gender and create one password and click on registration. This is how the login form will open after registration. You need to give the mail ID and password which has been created for this mail ID and click on login. This is how it looked like. It consists of, here you can see here, Forex market dataset. There are three datasets. The first one is Australian dollar, the second one is euros, and third one is British pound. In stock market there are two datasets that are ICICI Bank and SBI Bank details. First I will select the first one, that is from the Forex market. I am going to select Australian dollar conversion. As you can see here, data is loading internally, data pre-processing is done, data splitting is going on now. Data training is going on. The output is loading in this page now. Here, as you can see, the data loading, pre-processing technique, training the model, all those has done internally. This is how the output will look like. This is the bar chart. In the x-axis, years are there, and in the y-axis, counts are there. Like in 2006, there are 132 records, and till 2023, the years has been considered. In 2023, the number of records are 106 samples. And this is the line plot. Date versus open, date versus high, date versus low, and date versus close. And this is the result analysis graph. The green one is indicating true closing price, and the black one is indicating predicted closing price. As you can see in the output, they are very close to each other. This is the result part. There are 5 metrics we are using, 3 for error and 2 is score. Mean squared error is 4.49. Root mean squared error is 0.002, which is less than 0. Mean absolute error is also less than 0. And R2 score is 0.97 and variance score is 0.98. That means 98% of accuracy is given by this CLSTM model. There are other data set also. As we click on this data set, that particular data set will load, and after that it will train, and finally model save, and the result analysis we can see like this. Here you can change the password also, and you can log out from this page. This is about this project. In DHS Informatics, we are giving the projects to very reasonable price and help you until the last phase of the project review. So that please contact us at 9845166723 or 9886692401. You can email us also at info@dhsinformatics.com. Thank you for listening for this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.